So now that you've learned a few simple chords, we're going to get used to using the right hand a bit more, this time in standard fingerpicking position. When fingerpicking, it's often useful to think as though you're playing two guitar parts, a bass line and a lead part. The bass line is usually played on the bottom strings, and is often very similar to what a bass guitar would play. Our standard positioning is that your thumb plays the 4th, 5th, and 6th strings. Whenever you play any of those strings, you use your thumb. Your index or first finger will play the 3rd string, middle or second will play the 2nd string, and your third finger or ring finger will play the 1st string. Let's try it out. Play the 6th string 4 times, then the 3rd string 4 times, then the 2nd string 4 times, then end with the 1st string 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to use your proper fingers and try this exercise a few times until you can play it smoothly. For the most part, each string is dedicated to a certain finger. Occasionally you'll play in a different position to make it easier, but we're almost always going to play in this position.